Annyeonghaseyo from Mike's Organic Cafe. Today we're making Korean barbecue strips. I couldn't find the chicken niblet, so I just have chicken strip. It's the same thing. Boneless is better in my opinion. Chicken wings have no meat anyway. Ingredients are chicken strips. Grab a freezer bag with a bowl for the fridge later. A third of a cup soy-free soy sauce. A third of a cup barbecue sauce made with coconut aminos. That's around 3 tablespoons of ironbark honey, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon garlic powder, 1 tablespoon onion powder, 1 tablespoon cayenne pepper, and sea salt. Step 1. Mix the marinade into the measuring cup, adding soy-free soy sauce, barbecue coconut aminos, honey, garlic and onion powder, cayenne pepper and whatever herbs you decide to use, and sea salt. Stirring until thick. It smells so good and the honey gives it that sticky feeling when chewing. It's making me salivate thinking about it. Step 2. Grab a freezer bag, place the chicken strips using a pair of tongs to avoid salmonella on your hands, followed by the marinade, then air seal it and squish together so the whole chicken strips get an even coat. Step 3. Into the fridge for 1 to 2 hours. Step 4. Preheat the oven to 200 degrees, fan bake, then pour the chicken with the marinade onto a baking tray, then bake for around 35 minutes. Step 5. Serve with kimchi, sides or any other pickled vegetables. Great for the stomach. If you have gut issues, it'll strengthen the stomach lining. Enjoy as a side dish or make more to enjoy as a filling meal. Be seeing you!